So on Wordwinder, why did you choose to go straight to retail versus licensing it out? You dealt in licensing before, prior to that, right?
Yes, most of the games that I've invented, whether it be for any form, like I also invented Uno Freefall and Uno 52. I had no desire to develop those because those were in partner with Mattel anyways. Those were developed by one of their partners. But most of the things that I did, are licensed. My attitude used to be invent, license, and move on. Okay, but what I have found with some of these things, like Wordwinder and now Just Two Words, is that I really care about this stuff. I want the David L. Hoyt branding on it. I want it to be a certain way. I want to be in control of it a little bit more. And Steve and I kind of feel the same way. I mean, it's a kind of a polite way of saying we don't want someone to mess it up. And one of the problems that I have seen with the types of games that I create is they look very similar to other games, but in their at their heart is my 16 years worth of knowledge. So even with a jumble puzzle, if I throw a jumble puzzle made by me in front of you next to one made by someone else, they're going to look the same on the surface. So, but they're not. They're and it's hard to get that across. It's hard. So the only way for us to convert all of our knowledge, 16 years of this, into the final product is kind of for us to handle the whole process. Because I've just found that no matter what we do, no matter who we deal with, somebody else throughout the process will think they know more about it than we do. And in this case, we do know a lot about what we're talking about in developing the heart of it, the heart and soul of the game. That's what we know a lot about.
Gotcha.